surface areas and volume. Surface area and volume. Exercise 13.6. Today we will start volume of cylinder. See, this is the shape of cylinder, right circular cylinder. This is area of base pi r square and this is height. So volume is equal to pi r square h cubic unit. Question number first. The circumference of the base of cylinder is given to you. C is given to you 132 centimeter and height is 25 centimeter. How many liters of water it can hold? Find करना है how many liters of water it hold. Liter is the unit of volume. So you have to find volume. So C is given to you 132. Given है circumference 2 pi r is equal to 132. 2 into 22 upon 7 into r 132. Now 22 6 132 2 into 3 6. So क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे r इज इक्वल टू कितना हो जाएगा 21 7 into 3 21 सेंटीमीटर. Now what is the volume is pi r square h. Now 21 upon 22 upon 7 into r 21 into 21 and what is height 25. 7 3s are 25. Now it becomes 66 22 into 3 66 into 21 into 25. Now if you multiplied it, it comes in centimeter cube. Now if you multiplied it, you will get, multiply करिए इसको, you will get 34650 centimeter cube. You have to find volume in liter. V in लीटर फाइंड करना है तो डिवाइड बाय क्या करेंगे 1000 सब डिवाइड कर दीजिए. So it will become 34.65 liter. 34.65 liter. Now I will take question number 2. This is the volume of water in liter. ये क्यूबिक में आया, इसको 1000 से डिवाइड कर दिया, लीटर हो गया. Because 1 liter is equal to 1000 centimeter cube. Question number 2. See in the book. The inner diameter of cylindrical wooden pipe is 24 centimeter and outer diameter is 28 centimeter. So inner diameter DI is inner diameter is 24 centimeter and this outer diameter pura is given to you 28 centimeter. This length of, that is height of pipe h is equal to 35 centimeter. Find the mass of the pipe. If find करना है mass of pipe, 1 centimeter cube is equal to 0.6 gram. Now inner diameter 24 तो inner radius कितना हो जाएगा 12 सेंटीमीटर. आउटर रेडियस कितना हो जाएगा 14 सेंटीमीटर. सो वॉल्यूम ऑफ वुड, ये वुड है, दिस शेडेड पोर्शन इज वुड. तो ये आप कैसे निकालेंगे? आउटर वॉल्यूम ऑफ सिलेंडर माइनस इनर वॉल्यूम ऑफ सिलेंडर, वी विल गेट वॉल्यूम ऑफ वुड. क्लियरली सीन वॉल्यूम ऑफ वुड इज द शेडेड पोर्शन. सो आउटर सिलेंडर में से इनर सिलेंडर का वॉल्यूम हटा देंगे, सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देंगे, यू विल गेट वॉल्यूम ऑफ वुड. सो आउटर वॉल्यूम माइनस इनर वॉल्यूम. आउटर वॉल्यूम पाई आर, रेडियस क्या हो जाएगा आर आउटर स्क्वायर एच. हाइट सेम है पूरे सिलेंडर की, दिस हाइट इज सेम, माइनस inner volume pi r inner square h. Now you see here pi h is common, r outer square minus r inner square. So what is pi? 22 upon 7 into height is 35. What is r outer? 14 का square. What is r inner? 12 का square centimeter cube. Now 7 5s are 22 into 5 110, 196 minus 144. It will get 110 into 196 में से 144 जाएगा, 6 में से 4 गया 2 and 5. If you multiplied it, you will get 11 को 52 से करेंगे तो क्या आएगा 5720 centimeter cube. Now we have to find mass of wood, mass of pipe. 1 centimeter cube का कितना है 0.6 ग्राम. तो 5720 सेंटीमीटर क्यूब का कितना होगा 0.6 इंटू 5720, इसको 10 से डिवाइड कर दीजिए. सो 572 को 6 से करिए मल्टीप्लाई, 6 2 12 43 3432 ग्राम. इसको अगर केजी में करेंगे तो कितने से डिवाइड करेंगे 1000 से, तो 3.432 केजी. Question third. A soft drink is available in 2 packs. 2 packs. One is rectangular and other is cylindrical. There are 2 types of pack, rectangular and cylindrical. Dimension of cylindrical pack is length is 5, length is 5 centimeter, breadth is 4 centimeter and height is 15 centimeter. And in cylindrical, radius diameter is given to you 7 centimeter and height is 10 centimeter. Which container has greatest capacity? Find which container has greater capacity. You have to find which container has greater volume and how much more, कितना ज्यादा है and how much more. So volume of rectangle can, rectangular can is L into B into H cubic unit. So 5 into 4 into 15 centimeter cube. 5 4s are 20 into 15, 300 centimeter cube. Second, volume of cylindrical pack, cylindrical pack is equal to pi r square h. Pi you can take 22 upon 7 into radius is R is equal to 7 upon 2 centimeter. This is the radius. So 7 upon 2 into 7 upon 2 and height is 10. Unit is centimeter cube. This 7 cancel out. 2 11s are 2 5s are. So it becomes 11 into 7 5s are 35 centimeter cube. So 11 into 35 is 385 centimeter cube. So volume of cylinder has greater. This is greater capacity. Cylinder has greater capacity, and how much? How much you have to take difference? Difference is equal to 385 minus 300 centimeter cube. So it becomes 85 centimeter cube drink is more. 85 centimeter cubic drink is more in cylindrical pack. Question 4. Lateral surface area of cylinder is given to you 94.2 centimeter square. Height दी हुई है 5 centimeter. You have to find, आपको फाइंड करना है एक तो रेडियस, दूसरा फाइंड करना है वॉल्यूम, और पाई यूज करना है 3.14. Now see here, CSA of cylinder is equal to 94.2. तो CSA of cylinder होता है 2 pi RH 94.2. 2 into 3.14. Here pi is 3.14 into radius into height is equal to 94. को पॉइंट हटाएंगे नीचे 10 चला जाएगा. Now क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई, इधर ये 100 हो जाएगा. So R is equal to 942 into 100. 100 ऊपर चला गया. 10 into 2 into 314 into 5. Now 342 से डायरेक्ट कटेगा, ये आ जाएगा 3. एक 10 से एक 10 कट गया और ये 5 टू जा 10 ओके, ये 10 कट गया. R is equal to आया 3 centimeter. Now we have to find volume of cylinder. Volume of cylinder is pi R square H. Now what is pi? 3.14. What is R? R is 3. 3 into 3 into H. What is H? H is 5 upon 100. So it becomes 343 into 3 करेंगे तो कितना आ जाएगा? 942 into 15 upon this. इसको मल्टीप्लाई किया और इसको क्या? 15 upon 100. सो वॉल्यूम आ जाएगा ये सेंटीमीटर क्यूब. इसको आप मल्टीप्लाई कीजिए 942 इंटू 15 को आप मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो कितना आएगा? वो साइड में मल्टीप्लाई करें और बताइए. इट विल बिकम 14130 अपॉन 100 सेंटीमीटर क्यूब. तो वॉल्यूम आ जाएगा 141.3 सेंटीमीटर क्यूब. चेक कर लीजिए इसको. ओके. Question number 5. The cost of painting the inner curved surface area of cylinder. This is inner curved surface area. So cost, total cost of painting inner CSA is rupees 2200, and its height is this height is 10 meter. If the cost of painting is at the rate of rupees 20 per meter square, cost of 1 meter square is rupees 20. फाइंड करना है नंबर 1 इनर CSA, इनर कर्व सरफेस एरिया. नंबर 2 रेडियस And number 3, capacity of the vessel. Capacity means you have to find volume of cylinder. So we know that inner curved surface area solution, inner CSA is equal to, if you divide total cost upon cost of 1 meter square, so inner CSA will come, curved surface area of cylinder, 2200 upon 20, 00 cut, 110, CSA is equal to 110 meter square. Now this is CSA, and CSA of cylinder is what? 2 pi RH is equal to 110. 2 into 22 into 22 upon 7 into R you don't know, and height is 10 upon is equal to 110. This 0 will cancel out and cross multiply. R is equal to 11 into 7 upon 2 into 22. This 11 will cut and 22 will cut. 11 2 are 22. So R is equal to 7 upon 4 meter. Now, capacity of volume, volume of cylinder. So V is equal to pi R square H, that is the volume of cylinder. So pi you can take 22 upon 7 into R, 7 by 4, 7 by 4 into height 10 meter cube. Now, this 7 will cancel out. This is 11 and this is 2. So it will become 770 upon 8 meter cube. If you divide it, you will get 8 9 is 72. 8 9 is 72. 3 8 8 3 8 9 is 72. Now 8 you will get 96.25 meter cube. You know that 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liter, or you can say that 96.25 kiloliter. 96.25 kiloliter. Now come to question number 6. Question 6. The capacity of a closed cylindrical vessel is given to you. Given क्या है? Capacity is given to you of cylindrical vessel. Capacity of cylindrical vessel is given to you 15.4 liter. It is also called volume is 15.4 liter. We know that 1000 centimeter cube is equal to 1 liter. So 1 centimeter cube is equal to 1 upon 1000 liter. So convert this into centimeter cube. So 1 liter is equal to, so 1000 centimeter cube is equal to 1 liter. 1 centimeter cube is equal to this. So divide by 1000. So it comes in meter cube. You can take it is in meter cube. Either you convert into centimeter cube, you have to multiply. You convert into meter cube. 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liter, and 1 upon 1000 meter cube is equal to 1 liter. So 1 liter को into 1 by 1000 कर दीजिए, तो it will come into, अपन सेंटीमीटर में नहीं कर रहे हैं, we convert into meter cube. पॉइंट हटेगा, ये 0 नीचे आ जाएगा. So V is equal to 154 upon 10,000. So it becomes 0.0154 meter cube. 154 upon 10,000. Now we convert it into liter into meter cube, because height is given to you of closed cylindrical vessel is 1 meter. So you have to find how many square sheets इस सिलेंडर को बनाने में. So what is the TSA you have to find? TSA you have to find, and here radius is not given, so volume is pi r square h is given. It is 154 upon 10,000. So 22 upon 7 into r. What is r? Don't know. Into h. What is height? 1 meter. 154 upon 10,000. So cross multiply. R square is equal to 154 into 7 upon 22 into 10,000. 22 sevens are. So taking square root, making pair of 2 to r square का स्क्वायर रूट क्या होगा r. 2 7 है तो 7, 10,000 है तो मतलब 100. That is the r is equal to 0.07 meter. Now metal sheet required, that is metal sheet required making closed cylinder. That is you have to find इसको कितना मेटल लगा, जितना TSA होगा. So TSA क्या होता है? 2 pi r plus h. So 2 into 22 upon 7, r is 7 upon 100 into 7 upon 100 plus 1. Answer come in meter cube, meter square, that is area. This 7 cancel out. This is 44 upon 100 into LCM लेंगे तो 100 आ जाएगा. 7 plus 100 107. If you multiply 107 into 44, you will get 28428 10 7 4708 upon 10,000 meter square. So it will get 0.4708 meter square sheet is required. Question 7. A lead pencil consists of a cylinder of wood with a solid cylinder graphite pill in the interior. This is a lead pencil. ये जो मैं शेड कर रहा हूं दैट इज अ वुड, और जो बीच में खाली दिख रहा है दैट इज लेड. दिस इज वुड एंड दिस इज लेड. So you have to find the area of the wood and the graphite. You have to find area of wood and area of lead. You have to find. This the shape of area of wood and lead, both are cylinder. So given to you the diameter of the pencil, that is diameter of pencil, that is dp, is given to you. Diameter of pencil is given to you 7 mm, and diameter of graphite is given to you 1 mm. This inside wala diameter, that is dg. Diameter of graphite is 1 mm, and the height of the pencil, this height, total height is given to you, h is given to you 14 centimeter. It is in centimeter. Find the volume of wood and graphite. You have to find, sorry, area नहीं निकालना है, you have to find volume निकालना है. Volume of wood and volume of lead. सबसे पहले अपन वॉल्यूम ऑफ वुड निकालेंगे। तो रेडियस आर क्या हो जाएगा, रेडियस ऑफ पेंसिल क्या हो जाएगा 7/2 हाफ ऑफ डायमीटर। नाउ रेडियस ऑफ ग्रेफाइट दैट इज ग्रेफाइट क्या हो जाएगा 1/2 mm। व्हेन यू कन्वर्ट सेंटीमीटर इनटू mm it becomes हाइट कितनी हो जाती है इन 1 सेंटीमीटर वी नो दैट 10 mm, so height is 140 mm, 140 mm। so volume of wood is equal to क्या होगा, वॉल्यूम ऑफ पेंसिल माइनस वॉल्यूम ऑफ ग्रेफाइट। वॉल्यूम ऑफ पेंसिल पाई आर, पेंसिल का रेडियस किसका, पेंसिल का स्क्वायर इनटू एच माइनस पाई आर ग्रेफाइट, ग्रेफाइट का निकाला, ग्रेफाइट का रेडियस का स्क्वायर इनटू एच। व्हाट इज कॉमन, हाइट इज सेम, सो पाई आर एच इज कॉमन, सो रेडियस ऑफ पेंसिल माइनस रेडियस ऑफ ग्रेफाइट, so pi is 22/7 and height is 140 mm. This answer will come in mm cube. So radius of pencil is 7/2, 7/2 square minus 1/2 square, so it becomes 7 to the 40. 22 into 2, 440 into 49/4 minus 1/4, it becomes 440 into 48/4, so it will 110, so 110 into 48 mm millimeter cube. Now if you multiplied it, you will get what, you will get 528, 48 को आप 11 से मल्टीप्लाई कीजिए, यू विल गेट 528, 5280 mm cube. When you convert into centimeter, it will become when you convert, it is mm cube. When you convert into centimeter, you have to divide by 1000. So in centimeter it will come 5.28 centimeter cube. Now volume of, अब अपन को क्या निकालना है, वॉल्यूम ऑफ वुड निकाल लिया, वॉल्यूम ऑफ ग्रेफाइट, वॉल्यूम ऑफ ग्रेफाइट, सो वॉल्यूम ऑफ ग्रेफाइट इज इक्वल टू पाई ग्रेफाइट, रेडियस ऑफ ग्रेफाइट स्क्वायर इनटू एच, so 22/7, radius of graphite is 1/2 into 1/2 into 140, this will come in mm cube, 11 7 2 ja 20 10, so it will come 110 mm cube. If you divide by 1000, अगर आप इसको 1000 से डिवाइड कर देंगे तो it will come centimeter cube, so 0.11 centimeter cube is the volume of graphite, is the volume of graphite. Now last question of this exercise, question 8. Question 8. A patient in a hospital giving a soup daily in cylindrical bowl. This is a cylindrical bowl. Okay, the patient, it is open cylindrical bowl. Diameter दिया हुआ है D. Diameter of the cylindrical bowl is 7 centimeter. And it is filled up to the height, ये यहां तक fill किया जाता है, h is 4 centimeter. How much soup the hospital has to prepare for how many patients? 250 patients. So you have to find the volume you have to find the volume of cylindrical bowl. Volume of cylindrical bowl is equal to pi r square. This is for one patient. This is for one patient. Volume of 250 patient कितना हो जाएगा 250 इंटू पाई आर स्क्वायर एच. तो ये किस में आएगा सेंटीमीटर क्यूब में आएगा. नाउ 250 इंटू बिकॉज यूनिट्स आर गिवन इन सेंटीमीटर. व्हाट इज रेडियस हाफ ऑफ डायमीटर. So 22 upon 7 into 7 upon 2 into 7 upon 2 and into height is 4. This 4 cancel out. This 7 cancel out. It becomes 250 into 22, 154 centimeter cube. So 154 into 25, 7, 8, 0, 3, 0, 15, 8, 3, 38500 centimeter cube. When you convert into liter, you divide by 1000. 38500 upon 1000 and it comes in liter. So it comes in 38.5 liter. This much soup is prepared.